Hi everyone, I'm Beyza Ural. I'm a computer science student at Bilkent University, and today I'm going to talk about my Physics 101 project, which is about projectile motion. Projectile motion is the form of motion where an object moves in a bilaterally symmetrical and parabolical path. The path that the object follows is called trajectory. Projectile motion only occurs when there is one force applied at the beginning of the trajectory, after which the only interference from the gravity. In projectile motion, there is no acceleration in the horizontal direction. The acceleration in the vertical direction is due to the gravity. This is my setup for the experiment, which includes ruler, paper, marble, table, stick, hose, pencil, red nail polish. On the right, you can see the marble is painted with the red nail polish, which will help us to see the point it falls clearly. First, we release the ball from the highest point of the hose, and the ball painted the point it falls. After that, we throw the ball from the second height, which is less than the first point, and red nail polish also paint the paper. Here you can clearly see the difference of height that we throw the ball. Second ball's horizontal distance was 44 centimeters, and the first one was 75 centimeters. Here we can see that a ball which is thrown from the highest point moved more, which is 71 centimeters. And this is where we release the marble, and when the marble comes to the end of the hose, it will have an initial force. From the formulas, we can calculate the initial velocity and the time marble traveled in the hose. When we throw the marble from the 131 centimeter, a height without the table will be 57 centimeter, and the horizontal distance of the marble will be 65 centimeter. First, I found the time that marble traveled with the formula that time equals 2 square root of 2 multiple height divided by the gravity force. Our gravity force is 9.8. Then we will find the initial velocity dividing distance to time, which we found 1.91. After all, we can calculate the horizontal distance that marble traveled after release from the end of the house, which we found the theoretical distance is 0.742 meters. And I did the same calculations for the second case, which is shown from the 103 centimeters. And here you can see that a theoretical distance was 0.551 meters, and there is a minor error from the expected distance. My expected distance was 44 centimeters. There is a slight difference in the theoretical and expected distance, which can be caused by an initial force that I applied or the friction force. In this experiment, we illustrate that marble goes far when it releases from the higher point, because the time and the initial velocity will be bigger. Thank you for listening to me.